I bought my dream truck. This is a 2020 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition. This has been my dream truck since before I can even remember. This thing is an absolute dream. I'm gonna give you guys a full walk around. I'm gonna go over all of the things that make this truck so special to me and some of the really cool features that it has that I didn't actually know about. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting with what's under the hood, the 5.7 liter V8 from Toyota has been on my bucket list for the longest time. I love the power delivery. It is an absolute unit. It is an absolute beast. It is everything I thought it would be. I am so happy with this engine. Next up, this badge. This badge has delayed the process big time. The brown, the peanut butter seats, I needed them. I fell in love with it and, well, it's the most expensive truck, so I had to make more money. Now we're here. Now we're with the one I wanted. Now we have my dream truck. Now that we've talked about why I wanted it, the engine, and the badge, now let's go over some of the really cool features that this truck has. LED headlights, LED fog lights, 20-inch wheels, hands down the best badge on any Toyota vehicle. And that's pretty much it on the exterior. Now let's take a step inside and let me show you some other cool features. Starting with number one, the interior. The seats are absolutely money. Not just the quality of the seats, these are leather with some suede. They feel absolutely amazing, but also the controls that you got down here. It gives you an adjustment here to give you a little bit more cushion under your thighs. Then you got, front and back, down, up, then you got lumbar support. Now, it doesn't end there. You also have heated and ventilated seats, which is super cool. I kept saying cooled seats, but someone got on me about it not being cooled. Number two is these floor mats. They are absolutely money. The amount of detail that goes into just the floor mats is insane. 1794 edition, and not only that, bullet type button things have 1794 on them. These floor mats are probably the worst I've ever owned. Like, they're super slippery, no grip at all, but they look absolutely amazing. I'll get new floor mats later, but these are going on a wall or something. Your headlights are also adjustable. So if you're towing something and your truck is like this, your headlights will adjust to line back up with normal traffic instead of blinding people. This one also comes with a jellyfish launcher. This is the one I wanted forever, okay? In the Toyota Tacoma, you get a little incy-wincy window, okay? Not in the Tundra. You get the big boy. You get to put the whole thing down. It is an absolute treat. Sandy hates it, and I've only used it once, but when I'm riding alone, you better know that thing is down. Stepping inside, the doors are solid. Absolute solid pieces of work. Coming up to the top, we have a sunroof, which I've only also been able to use once, but we have it and it looks so good. Down here, not much going on. You got 3 USB ports. This one does come with Apple Carplay, which is a super plus. Over here, you got the parking sensor, which can, well, it can get pretty loud. Traction control, you can turn it off. Dual climate control, heated, ventilated seats. And then you got the whole 9 yards with Apple Carplay, Android Auto. Absolute money. Infotainment cluster, nothing out of the ordinary. I'll be honest with you, I have no idea what the top left one and the top right one mean. Inside of here, you have the most amount of space, literally the most. Whenever you get a new to you vehicle, you kind of forget that you're in that vehicle at times, okay? Until I make a turn, okay? When I make a turn, then I have to hold on to this majestic wood grain beast of a steering wheel, and it just reminds me that I'm in complete luxury. This is the coolest steering wheel I've ever had. I know that this came out of like a 2002 GMC Yukon, but it's not. It's in a Toyota Tundra, and it's an absolute beast and a pleasure to drive. It needed to be a 4-wheel drive. I never ever once have needed 4-wheel drive, but better safe than sorry. Another really cool thing, when you put this into reverse, the side mirrors tilt down a little bit. So you see how they move a little bit? Just the slightest, but very worth it. Okay, you see that little film right there? That's actually functional. It turns blue. I may be wrong, but there's a power button on here, and whenever it's green, I don't know if you can see the green light. If there's a car behind you with super bright lights, it kind of like blocks it off. It makes it so that they're not super bright, which is very nice. Another one of my very favorite features is the JBL sound system. Now, a lot of people trash this sound system. They say it's bad, they say it's no good. I am in love with this sound system. I cannot hear anything but the magical 12 speakers going off and playing my favorite tunes. Now the seat is currently in my seating position at around 5'10". I sit comfortably. Now let's go to the back. In the back seat with the seat all the way back, I am more than comfortable. I mean, look at the space that I have here, okay? I can probably do some jumping jacks back here. This is what you want for long road trips. The amount of space that you get is exactly why I wanted it. Back here, there's not much going on, a 12-volt outlet, and then you got some AC vents, which is nice. You got a speaker here, and then a speaker down here. I just locked the truck, and my tailgate is locked. Now, I know that a lot of trucks have had this since like 2001, but the Toyota Tundra, I guess just now got it, and it's super cool. Such a convenient feature. That way you don't have to worry about forgetting. And yeah, we just went camping, so we got a bunch going on. In the bed, I'm not gonna lie to you, you're not missing out on anything because it is just a bed. There is nothing of value back here other than, well, 5.5 feet of majestic bedness. Yeah, okay. 1, 2. Let's go. That V8, okay, I cannot get over it. I can't. I want to add so many things to this truck, and I'm going to go broke doing it, but I'm going to be very happy being broke doing it.